For years now, electrical trace heating systems from BARTEC have proved successful in many areas of chemicals and petrochemicals, onshore and offshore, all over the world. Our customers appreciate the large selection of heating tapes and the efficient connection technology and control systems. The connection technology is of key importance for the easy installation and functional reliability of trace heating, particularly in hazardous, potentially explosive areas. Plexo, the innovative connection technology for self-limiting heating tapes. Plexo TCS requires less time and effort and reduces storage costs. Just one type of connection technology for the entire range of self-limiting heating tapes. Only one system is needed to assemble plug and socket splicers, and also end terminations easily. Plexo TCS is a plug-in system with patented sealing and clamping technology. Installation is easy and requires only standard tools. The patented spring-loaded terminals allow quick assembly and ensure a permanently reliable contact. The integrated strain relief guarantees a high level of electrical and mechanical safety. The Plexo TCS can connect supply cables up to a maximum of 4 mm squared to the heating tape directly. There is no need for a junction box. Plexo TCS is designed for operating temperatures from -60 to 180 degrees Celsius. Installation directly on the heated object is therefore permissible. Plexo TCS is steam purging resistant up to +180 degrees Celsius. Plexo TCS requires less time and effort and reduces storage costs. One connection system for the entire range of self-limiting heating tapes. Easy to install with simple tools. High electrical and mechanical safety thanks to the integrated strain relief. No need for a junction box. Supply cables up to a maximum of 4 mm squared can be connected by using terminals. Operating temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to 180 degrees Celsius. Installation permissible directly on the heated object. Steam purging resistant up to +180 degrees Celsius. Plexo TCS, the plug-in connection system.